Join me as I jazz up this home sign from Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, it's a home sign. Got it from a Dollar Tree, and I just removed the hanger and the bow. The hanger we'll put back on later. The bow we'll save it for another project, another day. Then I carefully remove all of the letters. They're paper, so you just want to kind of sneak around it with a little chisel or a knife or whatever just to get in there. Then once I have the sign all set, I take a sponge and I just put it in some black chalk paint, and all I'm doing is just feathering it on the edge to kind of give it that weathered wood look. I love it. Listen, I know it's not everybody's jam, but I am into it. I did both sides, and then I took the sponge and went down the edges just to give it a little bit more of that, I don't know, primitive vibe. Then I used a dry brush and some white chalk paint, and I just went over the edges of each of the letters, again, to give them that weathered look. Then I have this cute little grapevine wreath from, I think I got them at Hobby Lobby, but I could have gotten them at Michael's. And I glue it where the little wreath is on our sign. Then I have some, it's like a pick that I had gotten from, I think, the fall section at Joann's when it was on clearance. And I'm going to glue it onto our little wreath so that it covers all of the flowers that are on the original sign. I am so excited about this. Now, I don't know if you can see it here, but this floral stuff the pick that I had gotten from Joann, it's got like a little rosy pink look to it, yet there's still those brown undertones. I am so excited about it. So I just kept gluing it around just to make sure that it looked full and pretty and however I liked it. You know, you do it how you like it. And then I glued my letters back on. And again, they're just cardboard, so that hot glue is going to be perfect for this. So there's that. Super pretty. Then, yes, I'm using my little Bodabra, and I put some jute in. That's going to be the part that we're going to tie the bow up with. And it's just crisscross applesauce. That's all it is with this. It just makes it easier. And I could be using it completely wrong. And I'm okay with it. And I'm just using, like, I have some ribbon, I have some, lace, I have some organza, I think, I have some cotton, and then I had some pom-pom trim. I threw it all into this Bodabra because, listen, it's okay. The messy bow will receive it, and it'll be good. At least we hope. Anyways, and if it's not life or death here, friends. It's a bow. We can redo it. And then all I do is tie it. And I find with the Bodabra, and again, I didn't read the directions. I should have. But I find with these, I have to pull it out of the thing and kind of squish it down, or else it all stays in a stack before you tie it. Then I kind of, swished it around, glued it to our sign, and then trimmed it because we don't want it too fluffy. And then that's it. Like, friends, that's it. Listen, friends, sometimes we don't have to completely overpaint and overhaul a sign. We can just add some embellishments and make it our style, which is what I think I did here. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.